Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. And for this problem, I actually have 4 option choices. So for A, I have 27 to the power of 30. For B, I have 9 to the power of 30. For C, I have 27 to the power of 10. And for D, I have 3 to the power of 21. So to first start out, let's go through all these option choices and see if they're right or not. So we first have A, 27 to the power of 30, and how this likely was resulted in was from adding all the bases and adding all the exponents. So we have 9 plus 9 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 27 to the power of 30. And this is actually wrong because this is not the proper way to add exponents. So now going from here, this was likely gotten, 9 to the power of 30, by keeping the base the same and then adding the exponents. And this again is wrong because this is not the right way to add exponents. Now we have 27 to the power of 10, and this was gotten from adding the bases, but keeping the exponent the same. And this again is wrong as well. That's not how you add exponents. Now 3 to the power of 21, which is by process of elimination the right answer, we're going to see how they got this. So we first start with 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. And I'm going to factor out 9 to the power of 10. So I get 9 to the power of 10 times 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 9 to the power of 10 times 3. And now this is equal to 3 squared to the power of 10 times 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 is going to equal 3 to the power of 20. And I have this times 3 to the power of 1. So I simply just add the exponents. This is equal to 3 to the power of 21. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this to any of your friends or family members. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 12. So, my only variable in this equation is x, so that's what I'm going to be solving for. And now for my solution. So let me first rewrite my equation down here so I have a little more solving space. So my equation is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 12. And the first thing I'm going to do from here is factor out 3 to the power of x from my left-hand side. So I get 3 to the power of x times, well, 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So I get 3 to the power of x times 2 is equal to 12. And now I can divide both sides by 2. So then these two cancel out. And I get 3 to the power of x is equal to 6. Now from here, what I'm going to do is take the log on both sides. So I get log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 6. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front, so this turns into b times log a. In this case, I have log 3 to the power of x, so I can move x to the front. So this turns into x times log 3 is equal to log 6. Now from here, I can divide both sides by log 3. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 6 over log 3. Now, log 6 is the same thing as log of 3 times 2. And if I have something in the form log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log 3 times 2 turns into log 3 plus log 2, and I have this over log 3. So now this turns into log 3 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3. So then these two cancel out, and I get 1 plus log 2 over log 3. So this is my answer.